What are the core bottlenecks, right? Let's assume you have a 50 people engineering team working on the product. Shikhar, you're from PhonePe, and you guys, we all know what PhonePe does, right? Where do you see where were the bottlenecks, and when did you really, how did you start identifying them, and how did you think about we want to make them a super you?
Our origin story with the no code journey has been slightly unique in the sense that we didn't really, look at bringing in a tool to do things faster. Of course, that was one of the very important use cases. However, as all of you know, PhonePe is a very strongly regulated entity, right? So there's a lot of compliance and a lot of audits that happen on most of our code bases. So what had started happening by the time we started evaluating Drona and we started writing, figuring out what to do going forward, we had a number of consoles and they were like mushrooming up from different parts of the organization. And it just so happened that we ran into an audit where we had to upgrade version of one of our libraries. What that meant at that point in time was we have to stop all development and get everyone to move to this updated version. And that was the point where Nagaraju and I and some of the other engineers started to brainstorm around this fact that, hey, today it's 50. There are 20 more in the pipeline, and obviously we want to grow as an organization. When it becomes 200, if something like this happens, this is going to be a deterrent in the movement, that the agility that you're talking about. It's going to actually take our focus away from this. And PhonePe is very, in terms of being compliant, it comes first, right? So we don't really want to sacrifice on the good things that we represent. And that was kind of the origin story. We thought, okay, how about we bring everything to a place where we are able to at least have these levers centrally. So yeah, that was the starting point of.
So you saw a big threat in a library update,
Yep.
which probably stall a lot of stuff that's going to happen in yours. Take the focus away from what the customers really need, and eventually push it back on the. Okay.